In this video, I'm going to show you how to add references in Word with Zotero. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to install Zotero onto your computer, and then you want to put in some articles, okay? So for example, here I have my library of 2 different articles, and of course, once you have that in, you can then get started. Now, of course, if you don't know how to do this, you can watch a tutorial on my channel as well. I have a tutorial on how to cite using Zotero, how to connect it with Chrome, etc. So you can watch all the tutorials in case you don't know how to get to this point and how to get the articles inside Zotero itself. Now, once you're on here, if you want to add references in Word with Zotero, you want to open up your Word document. And then up here at the very top, once you have installed Zotero onto your computer, automatically a ribbon called Zotero will appear. You want to click on that. And then over here, you have a few options. You can click on Add or Edit Citation, or Add or Edit by Bibliography, okay? So here, I'm just gonna type in, for example, some random text. So for example, written by, and then I'm gonna do Add/Edit Citation. For the first time you do this, it's gonna ask you what citation style you would like. I'm gonna do the APA 7th edition. And then you can select the language, etc. You have some advanced options over here. And then I'm gonna click on OK. After you do this, you'll see kind of the search bar from Zotero, and then over here, as you can see, you can either see the classic view or you can keep your sources sorted, okay? So essentially you can do whatever you want. So here you can do either of the two things. As I said, you can see this or you can keep the classic view. Now, after you're in here, you can just select one of your articles or journals or whatever you've put in here, and you can also search for them in case you can't see them on the list. Click on it and press this button, and this will add the citation inside your Word document. Now, the reference has now been added, and then if you want to add the references or the bibliography at the very end, you want to just go to where you want it to be, and then click on Add/Added Bibliography, and with just the click of one button, this will add in the bibliography. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.